How to fix Windows cannot install required files error. So if you want to fix the Windows cannot install required files error in your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just follow the steps. The first thing you can do is you need to check your connected devices. These will include all connected peripheral devices such as the extra USB sticks or internet cables. Try removing them all before you redo the installation. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then go with the second, which is try again after some time. So just wait for some time and try again. But if that again doesn't fix your problem, then go with the third, which is run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. On your desktop, you need to simply click on the Start menu icon and click on the gear icon and select the settings. And in the settings window, you can select the Update and Security option, which will be right here. And on the Update and Security screen, switch to the Troubleshoot tab. Under the Troubleshoot tab, on the right pane of the Troubleshoot screen, scroll down and select the Windows Update. In the Windows Update tab, you need to click on Run the Troubleshooter option. If you're seeing the error while trying to run a feature update on Windows 11, then try these tips. From the desktop, click the Start menu and click on the Settings, open up your settings, and once you open up your settings, go with the System option. Under System, you need to go with the Troubleshoot. Under the Troubleshoot page, you need to go with Other Troubleshoot or Other Troubleshooters. And after that, click on the Run button next to the Windows Update. Once the System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters page appears. Here you will have the Windows Update. You need to simply go with Run, which is right here. After that, the Windows Update Troubleshooter will launch and try to figure out what the problem is. After it is done with the scanning, pay attention to whatever recommendation it makes and follow it. So that's how you can fix your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.